last time on Dragon Ball Z.
Enter Celestial Portal.
I thought he didn't have eyebrows.
Or he has big eye. Wait, Celestial Portal?
A few moments later.
Wait. Okay, do not obliterate yourself. Do not. We're not doing that this run. Do not obliterate yourself.
I won't. I don't want to.
I understand the temptation to obliterate yourself is strong, but we're not doing that on this run. This is too good of a run.
You can't stop.
I know.
Do not!
God, I'm way too fast. I don't even know what I'm doing here.
Charlie,
Nope, not
you
doing that.
obliterate yourself.
Obliterate yourself from existence. Jesus Christ, that's morbid. There's a portal here. You want me to go through that
no.
instead of obliterating myself?
Yes.
Isn't
Go
there
through the
something
portal.
else you do here, though? Like, I don't know.
Obliterate yourself from existence.
Oh.
Damn it!
Yeah.
I could have done that. Fuck.
Oh, Siren's Call. Cool. I have a notification. I need, achievement I need to
shit.
complete here.
Yeah, so we gotta break all the eggs.
Yeah.
I'm dying.
So just go and find the eggs.
Well, don't.
Stop it.
God damn it, Aiden.
Cool.
You're not the same person. I
I'm-
don't know what you mean.
I'm no longer dying. Time to just spam Q.
Gonna be honest, it works for me and 8. No, it doesn't. Hey, Aiden, I need an upsies.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
I have
where are
no
you?
clue what happened to me. I'm up?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You're not
I
exactly the
really
easiest
have
person to
one
get,
of
dude.
all white.
That's my bad. I just kind of melted.
I
This-
don't know what's going on anymore.
This run has been going for over an hour. This is gonna be such a long video to upload.
Oh, that's a.
Aiden, I
Enemy.
have 2 hours of footage.
It has been going for 74 minutes, yeah.
Do you
What
have
the fuck is that thing? What is that? What is that? I've never seen that thing in my life.
I've only encountered it in that final level.
Oh yeah, I just bought one.
Oh, hey, Ash. Thanks.
Hello. Yeah.
Just, what? I literally have health on my bar. What do you mean I'm dead?
I will. One of us will go revive you.
I have a sensu bean, so it doesn't matter.
I just took damage, so it will not be me.
We all take damage. Idiot. I'm sorry. I'm a little tense because I died. You can understand that, right?
I don't even know what's going on anymore.
What the fuck is going on? I died again.
Yeah, I wish I could tell you, mate. Is there another scavenger?
Open adaptive chest.
These damn birds. Is that a red thing that I just saw? Or is that orange?
It might have
I'm
been
not
orange.
sure, but I hope it wasn't red.
Well, Aiden just passed it, so. God, I want Dio's best friend.
Give me. There we go.
Oh, I see.
Is that the thing that's been killing me? Is that why I haven't been seeing it?
It was
Aiden.
cloak.
There are things behind me.
Shit. That's my one weakness.
If I were you, I would highly recommend
Ow.
helping me. Bro, why is level 99 so much harder than level 98?
I am on my way.
Thank you, Ash.
You're welcome.
Whatever, I'm breaking open this bag.
If it has any red things, dibs.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Damn it. I don't see any eggs.
They're hidden. You gotta really look for them. They're also pretty small.
Noted.
Let's get
I
more
can't-
leeching seeds.
I kind of forgot what we were doing. Oh, that's an enemy.
What it looks like to go beyond the Super Saiyan God.
Wow.
What is this? Cool.
Well, this is what it looks like to go beyond the Super Saiyan God.
Ah! What the fuck?
The power beyond that of a Super Saiyan God.
I did
think that's
something.
it.
Oh.
Aiden, you want me to wreck its shit?
Yeah, do that.
I don't even know where it's at.
I do.
I didn't think you had to ask.
That's what matters. Holy shit. I'm a Super Saiyan 5.
Oh, nice.
I am Super Saiyan Rose.
Ow!
Bro,
Ooh, ooh,
The
ooh,
cringe
ooh.
actually used Super Saiyan Rose. What?
Look, it's pink. I don't know, it's not like I have anything else to put here.
Yeah?
Look, it's free advancement levels, alright? Oh god, what happened to me?
Owie. Owie, that hurt.
That really hurt.
Ow!
Ash, can you get Charlie?
In a sec.
I'll have to figure out which one is me first.
I'm alive.
Oh, okay.
I think that shit like a champ.
I died because I was at the epicenter of whatever the fuck just happened.
Ooh,
Oh, my poor
they dropped
Healy
3
boy.
legendaries for us.
Like
I'm getting
reds
happy
or
with my ass. Reds, yeah.
where deal? Aiden, where?
It's in the center.
Yeah, right here, where I'm at.
There, Dio.
So, eggs.
I mean, yeah.
This is the power of the omelet. I think that was the egg thing.
I have no idea.
Anyway, do we want to trigger the boss? I guess so.
Yes.
I guess so. Oh, what the fuck? I
Magma worm.
Wow.
Oh god, so much lag. Are they all? They're all dead.
You're
They're all
welcome.
dead.
The fucking.
To be fair, you cannot take all the credit for that.
Yes, I can. I, in fact, can take credit for exactly what I did, which was stand still charging while everything else died around me. Oh my god.
Okay, but I actually fired, you know?
I literally just charged and everything else fucking died. That was ridiculous. Why are we like this?
Is Magworm segmented? Because that would make sense as to why it went down so quickly. With the amount of fucking like group damage that I do, not AoE, but like damage that splits off to other guys. If
Oh,
it's
yeah.
segmented, then
That makes sense.
Of course, it could just be the massive crits that I've been racking up. Because I have 10 lens maker glasses. And 4 of those headdresses that do the crit things.
Did I just unlock Kaioken times 3?
Maybe.
Oh, for my base form.
You get
Guys, my frames.
And for Super Saiyan. Yeah, I'm doing pretty alright, but that's because I dropped this from 4K, which is what I was playing it at before. Do you want to go through the teleporter?
yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Yep.
Fire! This is chaos.
It really
yeah.
is.
And it's gonna get even more chaotic because I just got Happiest Mask.
What does that do?
It has a chance when I kill an enemy to summon a ghost of that enemy to fight for me.
Oh, nice.
Yo, that's cool.
I want monies, so I'm just going to kill a bunch of people with my smite.
Bro, why is it I went over to fight someone and I saw them get struck by lightning?
I wonder why.
I wanted money.
Where did they go?
Just white. Ugh. White.
Right,
No.
cringe. Get away from my wife.
I was there first.
Sure you were.
Bro, you okay?
I need to keep getting more soldier syringes, so I'm just gonna pick up all these whites.
Okay.
I killed one of the bagmen.
Ooh, I got a red.
Oh.
Oh,
What?
I don't have. This one's mine.
I didn't get the sentient meat hook.
These guys are too strong.
Huh?
Alright, stop.
If
Why
I
are
stop
they too
attacking,
strong?
I die. I'm Super Saiyan Blue 3. No! I died on top of a red.
Oof. Did you already claim, like,
No.
choose which red? Okay, then it's fine.
I don't recommend going up there.
I summoned grandparents, I saw them all spawn around me, and then they immediately died.
Dodge.
I'm like, oh no, I might have just fucked up, and they're all dead.
My life is not very Keck W at the moment.
You don't have one at the moment.
Correct. God damn it, I hate how you can dispatch enemies faster than I can.
Cool. Give me the. Thanks. Oh. What?
Well, I'd have left the red for him. Okay, whatever. Was his rightfully, but I guess you did resurrect him, so taxes. Ooh. We got a big boy! We got a big boy over here!
I died again.
Yeah, I'm coming for you.
Weighing in at a fuck ton of pounds.
But if you could stop shooting the floor, you could deal with it.
Alright,
Look,
where were you at? Where did you die?
The
I was-
like target the crosshair is
I
aimed
see.
slightly
A
higher
bunch of
than
fucking
they
parrots near me,
actually
so-
shoot.
Can you go away? In my
Yeah, there
way.
they all are. They all spawned in my ass. I dealt with quite a few of them, however.
Alright, I once again. Okay, there you are.
I don't think I need a sensu bean, considering I don't even realize when I'm about to die. I may need to swap it out for something.
Yeah, you might want to swap it out for, like, Missile Battery or Kaio Essence.
Yeah.
Or the Smite. If that's how you feeling. Oh, I found the rusty lockbox.
Oh, nice. I have a key. Cool.
Yeah, I didn't realize anybody had the thing.
Oh, I have a key too.
Cool, you can have it. If you want it. Since I took your red.
You gave me a green. There are no words on God's green earth that can describe how angry I feel.
Equipment. Ah, shit. Oh, at least there's an equipment one right here. There's another equipment thing nearby.
Oh shit.
Man, that is one freaky alien genotype.
Oh, nice. Hmm.
Fuck.
Where is the teleporter?
I
Is
died.
that it? I think that's it. Where did you die? I literally don't... Okay, there you are on the little thing on the side there.
Pain.
I literally can't see you on the sidebar anymore because we have so many allies.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, our empathy course must be so fucking strong.
Oh god.
Ow, 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 ow. What was that? What the fuck was that?
Excellent question. However, I have no fucking clue.
God, I am so far away from y'all. And
I
dead.
don't even know where you are. I
Um,
can't see the X.
so turn your camera right. Right a little more. And then up.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
It's just like hidden underneath constant numbers.
That would be the turret
It's doing
that's over there.
numbers. Doing numbers.
I'm gonna have so much to cut out of this fucking video. Because I'm not making my friend do this. I'll chop them down into bits and send them over, maybe. But depending on how long this fucker is, I'm not gonna send a 3-hour video to my friend to edit.
I found the teleporter.
I'm gonna go get Charlie.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Provided I can get up to where he is. Okay, no, wait, that's not what I thought it was.
Watch out for those
Ow.
mushrooms. They will kick the shit out of you, man. Trust me, they do numbers. Like that.
I see. What the fuck?
Alright, I'm hiding up.
Be careful. Goddamn.
Oh, God.
Be very, very careful.
Guys,
Stay out of those circles. Stay out of those circles. Okay. Yeah. Keep staying out of the circles.
fuck.
So far, so good.
Well, I mean,
It's doing less damage than those circles would have.
Don't start the teleporter. That's a bad idea.
I'm not gonna. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm supposed to fucking get out of here.
That was a very good question.
I mean, it looks like there's one of those boost thingies next to the teleporter.
Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh fuck, that's the mushroom thing. Ash, you may want to get out of there.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Yeah, I feel less bad considering they erased Aiden.
Yeah, and I'm a fucking walking tank.
That doesn't give you enough credit.
Alright.
I'm like, if you took 7 legions and then packed them down into a man-sized space.
And then gave it a thirst for blood to match that of a Ronin or a Monarch.
A Ronin and a Monarch.
Ow. Shit. Oh good, because I'm...
Seriously, the amount of damage you did to that thing and that fucking mushroom was able to withstand you was... It's not okay. This is...
Oh. Ow!
Oh,
What's
going on
wrong?
with that
What?
mushroom? Like,
So Ash
Huh?
popped.
Yeah, you might want to resurrect me? I would recommend killing this thing first.
yep.
And that thing that just popped into existence. Oh, that's not
keep
good.
an eye on your head. Yeah.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
God, you are terrifying, Aiden.
I know.
Oh, nice.
There you
Thank
go.
Is that an ally? Cool.
There's a Senzu bean over here if anybody you need. Either you need that.
Well, it's not like I'll have the opportunity to use it.
I
no,
always use my Senzu bean before I think I need it.
I think I'd rather keep my lightning strikes.
Yeah, keep your lightning strikes.
Yo, there's a magma worm running around.
Yeah, there is.
Don't worry about it. I'll like if they show up, I'll fucking smite them.
I have some more drones.
Because I'm either gonna kill it or it's gonna kill me. That's just how this is gonna go.
Can you ping the teleporter? I know you know where the teleporter is, but
Fuck.
Ultra instinct.
you okay?
Oh, I am very okay. So,
What does that mean? Ultra Instinct?
yes, sir.
Hell yeah! There we go.
Oh, that was close.
Oh yeah, baby. You want me to just hit it, Aiden?
Yeah, hit it. Cause I'm here. Oh, this doing numbers.
I'm on my way.
We'll try to make it so you don't have to carry the team anymore.
Wait until you get mastered Ultra Instinct.
Oh, we killed the boss, that's right.
Yeah, he's dead. It's dead. I didn't like it. I think it was one of those orb things.
Oh god.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure those things are instant death.
Oh. Okay,
What?
I just have to power up to get it. Got it. Good. Good. I thought I lost it.
Uh,
I don't know what's happening.
I don't either.
ooh, I accidentally hit the boost thingy.
Bro, I erased those.
Ooh, I'm fast. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. That was just the boost.
Aiden, I'm firing so fast the animation doesn't fully go and it looks like I'm shooting them out of my eyes. No, come here, look at this. I want to see if it looks like that on your end.
Alright, I'm here. Where are you? It does, it does!
Ooh, I am too fast.
That's fiction.
We
Too
going?
fast as a myth.
We're going.
We going. God, I want Mastered Ultra Instinct so badly. I can taste it, but I'm not gonna fucking use it, am I?
Hopefully you'll get it during this. Now, Charlie, you're a lot faster than us, and you're going to be able to just fucking plow through this area, because it can be sort of hard to navigate.
You want me to just
And
go?
also, I mean, you can.
If you guys wanted me to slow down, I could do that.
It's probably better if we stick together.
Got it. I will try my best.
Like, okay.
Aiden,
You
my
could
walk speed
sit
is
back
doubled
at the
since the
beginning.
last time I told you.
Yeah, I know. You could sit at the back, and then we could walk all the way to the other side of the map, and you could still beat us there. Look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. He doing numbers.
Oh, my frames just dropped with the smitage that just happened. Jesus Christ, Ash.
Hey, there's a red item next to this flag here. I'm gonna get one of Dio's best friends.
Oh. I could have taken that from you if I
Ow,
had reacted in seconds.
ow, ow, ow.
Hey,
I'm
fuck
being
off.
injured. Not anymore. Fuckers.
Make sure you keep remember this ship here with the
Oh
dome
god,
around
oh god,
it.
oh god,
We're gonna have
oh
to
god.
come back here later.
Woo!
Aiden, who is this we? I'm gonna get back here and then we can zoom.
I almost died.
This is just like the end game Borderlands 3. It's just fluctuating between dying and not dying.
Oh,
Okay, frames, come back to me.
sorry, I was busy smiting.
No, that's fine. It's
Yeah,
just
and I
is.
think when I actually got Mastered Ultra Instinct, the reason I stopped playing was because my game crashed, and not because I died. Oh god, we're so strong. We are
I'm doing
grossly
numbers.
powerful. We are doing number, like,
I know,
seriously.
but I've never reached this power before.
It
This
is
is the
ridiculous.
second time I've been here, but this one's a whole lot different.
Oh
Alright,
yeah,
where are you at?
I'm dying.
I know. I see that. That's why I'm trying to get to you, so I can also help you heal.
Oh God
Ow,
Almighty.
ow, ow, I'm dead. Shit.
Hey, Aiden.
Yeah, hi.
You have sensu beans.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Alright, you fuckers. You don't get a drop on top of me like that. That is a sin. I like how the
You
thing that
sinner.
killed me was Bernie Floor. Not an enemy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
just
burning
you-
floors will get you.
Yeah, you just gotta make sure you don't stay make floor too long. You just gotta float. Man.
I'm just kind of back up, because I could just appear. It's like, hey, I'm here now. I can cover this map.
Cool. Where the fuck are we supposed to be going?
Okay, so you see, if you look up in the sky, you can see like beacons.
Yeah,
You have to activate all of those.
Yeah, I've gotten to this point before once.
I was there.
It was just I couldn't find the beacons.
Oh, whoops.
Aiden,
Yeah.
I have it. Master of the Ultra
And why?
Instinct Kaioken.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god, Kaioken put so much strain on my body.
Bro, once you master that Kaioken,
Ow.
like, that's a wrap. It's a wrap.
I'm breaking my computer.
My red items. Give me it. You whores.
My game is breaking.
Ow. Alright.
I'm getting one of these. Oh well. We took each other's item. This is fine.
Oh, sorry.
Ah! I grabbed yours. That's... It's much my fault
Like,
as it is.
they drop down and immediately get fucking torn to shreds.
Alright, I have two Dio's best friends. Aiden, you want some help over there?
I think I'm good, actually.
Okay. I'll get another beacon then.
I mean, if I start dropping, you can get here in a fucking flash.
Bro, I won't be able to tell if you're dropping.
I'll tell you.
Oh my
Dude, I
god.
should trade all of my items for all the red items.
Could theoretically do that.
I don't see any more beacons over here.
Ah, Bernie Floor.
Oh wait, is it using up? Okay, it used one of my
Yeah, I don't recommend just turning all your items into red items, guys.
yeah, my
I
fuel
just
tank.
needed to turn some into like two Dio's best friend because I don't want to die again. Hey, those are the pillars. Or no, there's one more. Hello,
Are there any
pillar.
more over here? I don't see any more.
Nope, I'm at the last one.
Okay.
Oh my
I'm not gonna head
god.
over there. I'm just gonna go over to one of the jumpy points.
I'm going to kill
Because I
you
think
with
we
the
got
butt
that.
slam.
I'm sorry, jump pad. I didn't mean it.
Bro, this is actually terrifying how fast I can fire these.
Ah,
Yeah, you can just go to one of those pads. Like, you might as well leave. I've got this covered. Aiden, I want to show you how fast I can shoot.
I need to take a screenshot of the numbers I get.
Aiden, do you see this?
Do it. It's a fucking straight line.
That is a beam attack.
ow, rude.
That is straight up a beam attack. Like. Alright.
Alright, Ash,
I'm
I'm
going
going.
up.
I lost my jumps. I regret.
I see Ash is in danger and I immediately just sprint. Just hang on.
Well, I'm up here now. I'm waiting for you guys.
Okay.
Just whenever you guys are ready.
You gotta get to one of the sky beacons. They'll let you take off into the sky. Right, you did. Get out of here. I want to race Ash up.
I have some regrets about turning those items into red items.
I told you.
To the fact.
Yeah.
Hindsight is,
Yeah,
after
but
all.
That is
20
when I
minutes that
noticed that you guys. I just saw the list of red items you were going to get. And I'm like, guys, wait, slow down.
Thinking you jump.
Whee!
I'm fine with my 5 red items. 6 if you count the. Or 7 if you count the 2 Dio's friends I used.
Hey guys.
Alright, let's go. Y'all ever fight Mithrix?
Nope.
You have.
Oh god, there's a whole cutscene. That's a lot smaller than I expected. Anyways, time to just fucking...
He's the king of nothing. What did you...
Where is he at? Come
He went
out.
up. Of course, this fucking AoE doesn't apply to me, because Riot Shield.
Oh god. That hurt.
I haven't been damaged a single time in this entire fight.
Missiles go.
He has over 1 million health.
God damn.
Okay.
Like, has a lot. Him actually lands an attack. Neat. Senzubian!
Him lands an attack. Me blocked. Teddy bear
What?
say no.
Oh.
Blocked. Sorry, but blocked.
Ow, 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 ow.
As long as I keep my key charged, you literally cannot damage me.
That is true.
I don't even know where the fuck the Chimera is. Oh, is that it?
You
No.
just gotta kill the goons. The goons are the lunar chimera.
Oh, okay. What's still fucking alive?
Oh no, Bernie floor voice. Hello,
Mithrax.
Mithrax. You
Mithrax.
Mithreek.
Ah, you missed.
He Mithraxed.
Wow, you were right there and you still missed.
Okay, do you understand how slow moving that ball is?
Ow.
Spirit ball is not easy to hit with. That's why you aim for the floor. Bernie floor.
Oh,
I need upsies! I need upsies! Oh wait, no I don't. I have Dio's best friend.
Bro, I could. You saw me trying to help.
you missed.
I can still damage him. I'm dodging his attacks because I have heat.
Ow, that one hit.
Bro, come back here. Who said you could leave? I'm not done with you. I'm not done with you. God damn it. Bro, I cannot see.
I'm the tankiest motherfucker to ever live.
You are the I am a dodge bitch.
Alright, get ready for it. Get ready for it, boys.
Oh no, all of my special.
This is when he fucking... He doing numbers.
Bro, this is taking
Oh,
so long.
no.
It's taking so long.
You son of a bitch.
I need
done with you.
upsies. I'm gonna need some upsies.
He's dead.
What?
Oh, yeah, because he has less health. during his third phase.
And do you
so
know what I
Charlie's
have?
Ultra Instinct just...
Hey, do you mind dealing with these?
Alright,
drones?
guys, moon detonation is imminent.
Okay, bye.
We gotta leave. You gotta go through one of the orbs. You can't just fly off.
Cool.
You want me to get to the dropship just as soon as I can?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Okay.
Because I don't want to get fucking cucked when we actually get to it. Because I've had it happen where I'm like seconds away from...
I hope you guys make it back here, but I don't know.
I might.
Hello,
I
Spider.
mean, it's not that hard. It's like... We have 2 minutes
I need
to
to get
get
back
there.
into the bubble.
Yeah, you gotta stay in that bubble.
Ow, ow, ow. Fuck off.
Level 20 mastered Ultra Instinct in my frames. My frames are bad. My frames look as bad as grass tastes.
I am here.
I gotta make sure I don't die to the fucking instant kill sphere dudes.
This is the shittiest gameplay I've ever seen. My frames look like I'm on the old computer.
Oh, sorry. I wanted to stay alive.
I was making a joke.
I know. I was also joking.
I can get mastered Ultra Instinct Kaioken times 3 for like 2 seconds.
That's all you need.
He doesn't even finish saying times 3 before it's done.
Can you keep it up if you're charging?
No, it's just, it goes, man. It does numbers,
It
if
does
you will.
numbers. It does numbers.
Oh my god, I did it! I beat the thing!
I wonder whose
I know.
exit message will say. It's probably Ash's, but
What?
Exit
Or-
message.
is this Ash's game? This is
Yeah.
Ash's game,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Okay, then it should probably say Ash's character's exit message. Moon's gone. Sorry, guys. It's gone.
Yo. Moon's haunted.
Back so soon, Guardian. Moon's haunted. What? Moon's haunted. Cock's gun. And so he left, unsure of his title as protector. Wait, that's
Hungry
me!
for more. That's definitely
That's
Goku.
you!
And so he left hungry for more. Oh, you bet I am after feeling that
And
power.
what was yours, Ash?
So she left. Heart fixed on something. The New Horizon.
You don't understand how erect I am right now.